Namaste, Jai Sri Ram. I am Narendra Modi sir का fan and BJP कार्यकर्ता. Sir, USA Prime Minister Joe Biden sir and President Donald Trump sir. India don't have computer peripherals like USA and China. Very few companies are there, but India and USA very good relationship, very long relationship, and like Narendra Modi sir, Joe Biden sir, and Donald Trump sir, India and USA 70 years relationship between both countries. Sir, Prime Minister Joe Biden sir and Donald Trump sir, please establish USA computer hardware peripherals manufacturing companies in India like HP Inc., Hewlett Packard, and Dell and Apple Inc. company. Please establish Apple Inc. computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India and Dell company manufacturing unit establish a manufacturing unit in India and Digital Storm. Please establish Digital Storm computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India and EVGA Corporation. Please establish EVGA Corporation computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India. Falcon Northwest. Please establish Falcon Northwest computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India. Google LLC company also established in India. Main Gear Inc. also please establish in India. Origin PC, please establish Origin PC company computer peripherals company established in India. System 76 computer peripherals established in India and established Samsung company also in India. Established Intel company also computer peripherals like motherboard, processing unit established in India, and Sony company also computer peripherals established manufacturing unit in India. IBM Corporation also established IBM Corporation computer peripherals established in India. Razer company also established in India. Alienware also established in India. Cisco Systems Inc. Cisco Systems networking system, router and switches. Cisco Systems Inc. company also established in India. Oracle Corporation also Oracle Corporation also established in computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India. Jabil Circuit Inc. Jabil Circuit computer peripherals established in India. Western Digital Corporation Western Digital Corporation also company also established computer peripherals company in India. Texas Instrumenting Texas Instrumenting company also established in India. In India and USA very good relationship, very long relationship, 70 years relationship between both countries. Like Narendra Modi sir, Joe Biden sir, and Donald Trump sir, like family members. Like computer internal components are like memory board, disk drives, power supply, and external components such like monitor, keyboards, and other devices. And internal devices are motherboard, CPU, central processing unit, RAM, random access memory, SSD, hard disk, and SSD, ODD, optical disk drive, and card reader, power supply, GPU, graphics processing unit, unique network interface cards, and external device, mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, scanner, speaker, and headphones, microphones, webcam, and USB hard disk. All these USA computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India. Joe Biden sir and Donald Trump sir, please establish USA computer peripherals manufacturing unit in India. India and America, United States of America, very good relationship between IT sector, information technology, and the most IT sector in first place is America and second place is India. Donald Trump sir and Joe Biden sir, please establish for IT sectors, establish USA computer peripherals equipment, computer peripherals companies manufacturing unit in India like HP, Hewlett Packard and Acer company, like desktop, laptop and PC servers and storage device will have, and Dell company also please establish in India computer peripherals like a laptop, network and tablets and PCs, monitor, server storage, and Lenovo also please establish in India, and Toshiba also please establish in India. IBM International Business Missions also, IBM Corporation also computer peripherals established in India, server storage, and Fujitsu company also established in India like hardware and networking. NAC company also established in India, internet broadband and networks enterprises, and Apple company also please established in India like desktop and laptop, and Gateway Computers also established in India like computer hardware and personal computer servers accessories. The Microsoft Corporation company also established in India computer peripherals like keyboard and webcam, like internal corporation company also established in India like processor, motherboard and server product and memory device, and HP Inc. Hewlett Packard also established in India, and Cisco Systems Cisco Systems Inc. company also computer peripherals established in India like network related computer hardware products, and Oracle Corporation also company also established in India like computer India, and Jabil Circuit Inc. also company also established in India like network and storage device, and Western Digital Corporation also established in India like drives, solid state drives, networking, and Texas Instrument Inc. company also established in India like hardware products and wireless connectivity. Please access talk also company also established in India like motherboard, network equipment, storage device. Fujitsu company also established in India the scanner optical components, and Lenovo company also established in India like desktop monitor and storage device, and Samsung Electronics Co Limited also established in India like monitor, networking equipment, computer, laptop. Please establish all these companies, USA and South Korea and Taiwan. Please establish all these computer peripherals manufacturing unit established in India for IT sectors, IT companies. India need so much computer hardware peripherals for IT sectors. Please establish all these companies in India. Narendra Modi sir wants to making India to develop USA, Taiwan and South Korea computer peripherals equipment established in India. This computer peripherals companies, India sanctions land and water facilities government allotted for computer peripherals, computer hardware and computer peripheral equipment manufacturing unit in India. The government sanctioned land and water facilities for these companies, USA, South Korea and Taiwan. In India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir and USA Prime Minister Joe Biden sir and Donald Trump sir like family members and brothers. Thank you.